Now come to the next problem, that is also from the last assignment. The question is, Sita draws 50 kg water from a well of 2 meter deep in 10 seconds, whereas Geeta draws the same amount of water in 15 seconds. Compare their powers and also find who is more powerful. Okay, so first of all, calculate the work done by the Sita and Geeta individually, and then calculate power, okay, delivered by both of them. So here, first of all, I'm going to do calculations for Sita. Okay, here Sita can draw 50 kg water. Mass is given, mass is 50 kg, and this mass is displaced vertically up to 20 meters. Okay, so vertical height raised is 20 meters. Okay, and time is given is 10 seconds. So time for Sita is 10 seconds. Okay, since we know that the power is rate of doing work. Okay, so how much work Sita has done, which is equal to the gravitational potential energy, okay, possessed by this water at this height. Okay, because the work in this question, the work is converted into gravitational potential energy. Okay, this much amount of water is raised to a height of 20 meter. It means there is a change in gravitational potential energy, and this gravitational potential energy comes from the work done. Okay, so here we can write work done by Sita is equals to the gravitational potential energy, which is mgh. Okay, and mass is 50, g is 10, h is 20. Okay, so this is the work done by Sita. Okay, and the power delivered by the Sita is work done by the Sita and time taken. Work done is this much joule. Okay, so put this value here, 50 into 10 into 20 divided by time is 10 seconds. 10 gets cancelled. 1000 watt. Okay, so 1000 watt is the power delivered by Sita. Now for Geeta. For Geeta do the same job. Okay, 50 kg water she draws. She also draws 50 kg water up to 20 meter. Okay, so mass is 50 kg, height up to which this mass is raised is 20 meter. Okay, and the time taken by the Geeta is 15 seconds. Okay, now work done by Geeta is again mgh, which is equals to 50 into 10 into 20. So you can see that the work done by both of them is same. Okay, same work is done by the Gita also. Okay, now the power delivered by the Gita is work done by Gita divided by time taken by the Gita. Now put these values: 50 into 10 into 20 upon 50. Okay, so solve it. Okay, and it comes out to be 33 into 2, so 660 watt. Okay, so nearly 660 watt. So from the data we can easily find that the Sita is more powerful than Gita. Okay,